Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 9, part C. A is the point, 3 minus 1. Vector AB is 2 minus 4. P is a point on AB. A P ratio, PB, equals 1:3. Find the position vector of P. In this question, we are given with point A, 3 minus 1, which can be written in vector form too. Vector AB, 2 minus 4, and ratio between AP and PB, which is AP ratio PB, equals 1:3. To solve this question, we shall have to first find the position of B. We know that AB can be written as B minus A, so we can write B equals AB plus A. As we know AB and A, let's substitute the values in this equation. So B equals vector 2 minus 4 plus vector 3 minus 1. It can be simplified by adding the corresponding coordinates like 2 plus 3 and minus 4 plus minus 1, which will result into vector 5 minus 5. So as the first step, we have found the position vector of B. Let's save it and proceed further. Let's now focus on the given ratio between AP and PB, which is 1:3. Ratio can also be written in the form of division, like AP divided by PB equals 1 divided by 3. Let's cross-multiply and it will become 3AP equals PB. If we look at the position of P, we can write AP as P minus A and PB as B minus P. So our equation will become 3 into P minus A equals B minus P. Further simplifying, it will become 3P minus 3A equals B minus P, which means 3P plus P equals B plus 3A. That is 4P equals B plus 3A. Let's assume that P is a vector x and y and substitute values in our equation. Our final equation is 4P equals B plus 3A. Let's substitute values. 4 into vector xy equals vector 5, minus 5 plus 3 into vector 3 minus 1. Further simplified form will be 4x, 4y equals 5 minus 5 plus 9 minus 3. Resolving it further will result in 4x, 4y equals 5 plus 9 and minus 5 minus 3. It will become 4x, 4y equals 14 minus 8. Let's resolve it further. Our final equation was 4x, 4y equals 14 minus 8. By comparing the corresponding coordinates, we shall get two equations. First is 4x equals 14, and other one is 4y equals minus 8. Let's resolve first equation, so x will be equal to 14 by 4. Resolving further, x will be equal to 3.2. So we have found the x-coordinate of P, great. Now for y-coordinate, let's focus on other equation 4y equals minus 8. After simplifying, you will be equal to minus 8 by 4, and it will result into y equals minus 2, which is the y-coordinate of P. Excellent! We have found the position vector of point P, which is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.